Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, August 20th, and what I want to do today is showing you the Atlas line on multiple markets. Take a look at the micro, the Emini, the NASDAQ, the Euro, whatever markets are available trading the Atlas line. I'm going to show you. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Understand there are risks involved with trading, and please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. So to begin, we have the Emini S&P. And this is a long trade. As you can see, the Atlas line here is this blue dashed line here angling up, and it's telling us to go long the market. The Atlas line gives specific entries. 44.19 is that very specific entry to go long at that price, and then these P's and these S's are pullback and strength trades. So there's more opportunities if the market continues to go higher and higher with pullback and strength trades. Now, it's not guaranteed it's going to continue higher, and that's why if the price crosses the Atlas line and starts trading below it, we're going to have sell signals to go short, and that may in fact happen. But if the market continues higher, you're going to see new signals to go long. Now, this is the Emini S&P. I know a lot of traders like the Emini S&P. I like the Emini S&P, but not everybody uses the Emini. So here is the Euro. And the Euro, instead of looking at a long trade, it's telling us to sell. So the Euro for this morning, those of you who have the Atlas line, have a signal here to go short on the Euro market. Pullback and strength trades once again to go short. And what you're seeing here, this is called a bounce trade. Actually, I can turn that on just to show you real quick. This is the signal bounce, and I can click bounce on, and it'll show these signals here to go short. And the idea here behind the bounce trade is to say the price, the candles, are hitting the Atlas line and bouncing off of them. And that's why you're seeing these signals here to indicate sell at this price once the market hits and bounces off of the Atlas line. Now, there's a couple of rules that we teach during the live training. We have the stops, the time-based stop, the prove-it stop, the catastrophic stop. I mean, these are all part of the rules in trading the Atlas line, but to give you an overview of what the signals are. So now I'm going to look at a different market. Let me just turn off the bounce trades, and you can see they're off. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones. A lot of traders look at the Dow Jones. Same idea. It's going higher. This is the entry to go long. 34,933 to go long. Again, pullback and strength trades to the long side. And this is today. This is where we're at right now. It's about 11:20 Eastern time. We're seeing what the market is developing as we speak. The Dow, the Euro, the Emini. How about the NASDAQ? Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. Very similar. Here's the NASDAQ. Also another long opportunity to go long, strength trades and pullback trades. Again, if this drops below the Atlas line, it'll start providing short signals. All right, so we took a look at the Emini, the NASDAQ, the Dow, the Euro. How about the micro Emini? The micro Emini, for the new traders, good to get involved with learning without a lot of risk. Micro E-minis are the way to go. Again, this is 44.19 to go long. Again, lots of opportunities to go long, pullback and strength trades. That's these S's and these P's. And here we are right now, still looking to see where the market's going to go, where it's going to do as we get into the lunchtime, afternoon time of the day. If you have any questions, email us. There's a contact us page. If you're interested in joining the next mentorship class, visit the DayTradeToWin.com website. We have the next class available. The dates are listed. You can also check out our latest free webinar on trading price action. The link is in the description, and I'll see you in the next class. My name is John Paul. Have a great weekend. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and we work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.